So NAQP starts today in a little over an hour. It's almost 1 p.m. here local time. So just getting ready. Gotten N1MM updated to the latest version and checking out the radio connectivity and all that, making sure all that's going to work. You always want to do that ahead of time. Actually started that a little bit earlier this morning and just kind of had the radio on, just tuning around, making sure the rotor works, antenna works, and everything's good. So we have a hopefully a successful contest. Mark and I are doing a team this year, so it's the first time we've kind of done that with NAQP. We've done it together many times, but this will be new. Should be fun. I'm checking in on Katie's Shack Chat from HRO. I missed that the live yesterday, so I'm watching the replay from YouTube now. It's getting on that, getting in the mood. So got some storms in the forecast. Hopefully that won't hinder us too much. So see what we can do. Try to make this interesting. If not, I'm sure you'll let us know. So let's go make sure everything's working good. I think it got it good. It's about an hour before, like I said. Let's just make sure. One last check and sort out any problems we may have. All right, so here we are. We got N1MM going. We have the 7600 ready to go, looks like. Our microphone, we're going to change. We'll run the compression on mid. There's not, just to give us a little extra punch. It's a 100-watt contest, so no amplifier today. Make things simple, quick and tune. We're on 40 meters. We're hearing signals. So we got that. We're going to go up to 4 or 20. We're going to check the auto tuner. Looks good. Let's go to 15. Do the same thing. Looks good. Actually look like a fair amount of signals. 15 or not. We'll see. 10 meters. Band's open. It's pretty good. All right. And check 80. We are good to go. This looks good. Let's see if we're tracking correctly. Yeah, software looks good. Everything's set up. So we're just waiting for 1900. So there we go. So we're going to have a beverage. We're going to get a snack. And thinking we may start on 20. So we'll go ahead and get. All right, we are ready to go there. We're all tuned up on 20. Don't know if I'm going to use a headset. I think I'll just use this mic. It's a little comfortable, and then I can hear everything else going on in the house. So we'll see what's going on here in a couple of hours, or in another hour. We'll check back in, see how it's going. Hopefully it should be good. 10 and 15 seem to be, or 10 seems to be open, which is very positive. So Mark's probably sitting around on 6 meters, trying to work some stuff for his Fred fish, which is very cool. So hopefully we'll hear from him.
Speaking of Mark, I figured it's probably a good idea to check in with him. I'd imagine he's probably checking out his equipment too, and then probably complaining about he's hungry and gotta go make the sandwich.
North American QSO Party, and maybe wolf down a quick lunch. Let's see how we're doing in terms of antennas and SWR. That looks good, 10 meters. 12, don't really care about. Do care about 15, that doesn't look too bad. $20 looks good. $40 looks good. And 75 meters does not look good. All right, let's just, there we go. Okay, we should be ready. Let's see, power, 100 watts. Antennas are all hooked up. And I got 5 minutes to wolf down my lunch. Okay, this is N4 UFP. We'll see how the NAQP goes today. All right.
All right, so we are a little over 2 hours into the contest, and had a little thunderstorm. My mom called and talked for a half hour. It's all right. Did some stuff there, some things you just got to do, right? Right now I'm sitting at 96 Qs and 31 multipliers, and scored about 29.76. We'll check in with Mark in a little bit. He's actually using his ZS6 BKW in a contest. He said it's not quite as much fun, the 100 watts and a wire, but he's actually set up for 6 meters and the VHF right now. But he may, depending on the weather, put his tri-bander back on his tower. So we'll see how that goes. We'll check in with him later. Just give it a quick update. Been in for a couple hours. Gonna take the dog out and try to sort out dinner. So it's a 12-hour contest, but you can't work more than 10 hours, so you have to take a 2-hour break, or 2 hours of breaks. There's a minimum, but we'll just keep it simple. So that's how it's going so far, which isn't bad. I ran 20 meters, ran a frequency for an hour, and I had to go get something to drink, and got back in, and then just a few Qs. I was just sweeping 20, and then I got a phone call. I had to handle that. So we'll check in with Mark in a little bit, see how he's doing, and update you as we go along. All right, guys. We'll see you in a few.
Hi, Talon. Nice signal. Thanks for calling. QRZ and 2BJ, North America. CQ and AQP and 2BJ, November 2 Bravo, Juliet and A. CQ and AQP.
Thanks, Val. It's Brad, Bravo Romeo Alpha Delta in South Carolina. So let me find one more.
Zulu 4 Mike, you're Greg in Ontario.
I think we're going to have to cut it with keep hearing thunder. So we're going to take a little break again. Just a quick update. We've been going about 4 hours, 20 minutes contest time. We've had to take some breaks. Right now I'm at, I worked a quick bit on 15, been on 10. Had better luck on 10 than 15, believe it or not. Band's actually quite open. But I'm at a total of 114 Qs. Score right now is roughly 52.44. So is what it is. It's a short contest, and we're trying to get better. Hopefully, we'll get on 40 tonight and knock some more out. But for right now, we gotta shut down from the storm, so we gotta get out of here. Victoria Juliet.
Okay, Boylan, listen up. Alpha Echo 4, Victor Juliet, Bob in Illinois.
Thanks, Bob. It's Brad, Bravo Romeo Alpha Delta, South Carolina.
Brad in South Carolina. Thank you, Brad. Kira Z. Think you got this, Kilowatt United 1, Charlie Whiskey, Kilo United 1, Charlie Whiskey.
Alpha Echo 4, Victor, Japan.
Alpha Echo 4, Victor, Japan. Alex, Oregon.
All right, the first Oregon. Thanks, Alex. It's Brad, Bravo Romeo Alpha Delta, South Carolina. Okay. All right, so now we've had some storms. Off and on, it's been start and stop about all day. You get going real good, then you got to stop for a couple of hours. Storm comes through, start again. Another big storm. It lasted a while, and so now it's about 7 till 10 p.m. So we're getting ready for Berry Net, the Hoodle Net on 28340. It's been going on for over 20 years. The dogs over here are getting upset. I'm going to take him out real quick. We're going to take another break and check in the 10-meter net with Barry. Maybe we'll be able to work some of those guys. We get some numbers up on 10, which would be nice. And then after that, we'll get back at it for a little bit and let you know how we did. So that's it. NAQP 2020. It's not the dumpster fire that the year's been, but it's been start and stop. But actually, the upper band's been pretty good. So I'm gonna go take care of him. We'll be back.
Thank you. 7-3, you are set. Welcome to Discovery 3. 73, George, that's November 5, Juliet, Texas.
Alpha Echo 4, Victor, Japan.
The Alpha Echo 4.
Alpha Echo 4, Victoria Juliet, Brad, Bravo Romeo Alpha Delta, South Carolina.
Okay, Alpha Echo 4, Victor Juliet, Brad, South Carolina. You have Rick, Romeo India, Charlie Kilo, Texas.
All right, thanks, Rick. Good luck.
Thanks for the contact. 73, QRZ, November 5, Juliet. Echo, you're Reagan, Ontario. Is it not? Roger, Matt. Thanks a lot. QRZ, Victor Echo 3, Papa Japan. CQ contest, Victor Echo 3, Papa Japan.
Alpha Echo 4, Victor, Japan.
The Victor Japan, go.
Alpha Echo 4, Victoria Juliet, Brad, Bravo Romeo Alpha Delta, South Carolina.
Alpha Echo 4, Victor Juliet, you're Reagan, Ontario. Thanks, Brad. QRZ, Victor Echo 3, Papa Japan. Go. CQNA, Kilo 9, Charlie Tango. CQNA, Kilo 9, Charlie Tango.
Alpha Echo 4, Victor, Japan.
Alpha Echo 4, Victor Japan. Craig, Illinois.
All right, Craig, it's Brad, Bravo Romeo Alpha Delta, South Carolina.
Thank you, Brad. 73, Kilo 9, Charlie Tango. QSL, Mike in Indiana. Thank you, Adam.
Fill in as much as you can. And then you just what you can get while you wait. Apparently it was somebody else's frequency.
Thank you, Dave. November Oscar 3 uniform.
Alpha Echo 4, Victor, Japan.
Alpha Echo 4, Victor Japan. Otto in Pennsylvania.
Very good, Otto. It's Brad, Bravo Romeo Alpha Delta, South Carolina.
Thank you for South Carolina. 783, QSZ, November Oscar.
So here we are the next day. NAQP is over. It's the next evening, actually, Sunday evening. It was a late night. We checked in with BerryNet, the HoodleNet 28340. And Barry let us work everybody that checked into the net. So that actually helped both Mark and I. Mark was able to work a little bit of 160, which gave him a lot of multipliers. We had some problems. A couple of storms came up. So I ended the night with 206 Qs and I think 94 multipliers, so somewhere around 19,000 and some change. And Mark ended up with about 20,000 points and some change. So all in all, not a bad day. Pretty good. NAQP, it's always a lot of fun. If you're new to contesting or whatever, this is a great, great contest to get started with. So thanks for joining us and look for us on the next video coming up real soon. Thanks, guys.